Hi, AT from CNC at Home. If you remember back to when we visited Making It Happen, one of the projects we did was to burn a tumbler. We put the CNC at Home logo on here and it turned out well. I have a project that I want to do for the car clinic, which is a place where I volunteer. They are trying to put together some basic merchandise to give to some of the volunteers as a thank you. They're going to do t-shirts, keychains, coffee mugs, that sort of thing. And one of the things that came up was a tumbler. An idea that we had was to put the URL for their website on there as well as a QR code, so it would be easy just to scan with your phone and see the website. What I want to do in this video is see if my laser will cut through this powder coat on the stainless steel tumbler and how quickly I can do that, and how well the rotary roller works with this not quite cylindrical shape. It's really conical. It's somewhat cylindrical up top, and as you get down it necks down and it's no longer a cylinder. It's a cone. It does this. What I'll do is work up something in LightBurn, just a simple QR code with some text that has the URL, so we can skip that. That's pretty straightforward stuff, and we'll get right to seeing what kind of burn parameters we need to get through that coating on the stainless steel tumbler. So let's head over to the laser. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Here we have the tumbler loaded up in the rotary roller, and we're just doing a frame around our burn area. You can see that black box was a test burn to see what power setting I might need to burn through the coating on this. So we're doing the URL, burning the QR code on here, and it seems to be doing a pretty good job. Because of the shape of our tumbler, the rotary roller doesn't do a perfect job of moving this. It does wobble a little bit, and so our burn ends up being a little crooked. That was expected. Here we can see after cleanup that we got down to the stainless steel and we can read this and it looks pretty good. Here we see the first burn that I did where the power setting wasn't quite strong enough and it didn't get all the way through the coating. These are some test burns that I did a little rectangle to do different speeds and feeds and finally got to something that looked good. This was a good proof of concept as I was able to actually scan this QR code and go to the URL. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will do more similar to this as we go forward. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe, and enjoy doing your CNC at home projects. Oops. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Good enough? Good enough. Is this chroma keying out? Is it too close to our green?